So I'm trying to put together the video for the paint on the EK hatch and realize that I'm missing clips of the actual paint job itself. All I've got is one or two clips of sanding and priming that I'll just probably throw together real quick, maybe a little time-lapse montage type thing, and then move right on to the finished product. That car has been sold, so now once we're finished with that, I do have one or two more videos to put up of the suspension that I did for it, and then we're going to move on to the rehab on this RSX that I've got. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and we'll have some more Honda Acura restoration videos coming up soon.